Anna, we're at the airport.
It's so big and busy here.
Yes, airports are always like this.
Where do we go first?
First, we go to check-in.
What is check-in?
Check-in is where you register your flight.
Tom, where's the check-in counter?
Look for the signs. Follow the arrows.
I see it, over there.
Good eyes, Anna. Let's go.
There are so many people in line.
That's normal. We have enough time. Anna, show your passport here.
Okay, here's my passport.
Now they'll give you a boarding pass.
What is a boarding pass?
It's your ticket to get on the plane.
Oh, my boarding pass. I have it. Excuse me, where is my seat?
It says seat 14A on your boarding pass.
14A, is that a good seat?
It's a window seat.
Really? I love window seats.
You're lucky today, Anna. Now we need to find our gate.
What is a gate?
A gate is where you board the plane.
Where's our gate?
Gate 7, this way.
Gate 7. Let's go to Gate 7. Tom, what is this area?
This is a security check.
What do we do here?
Put your bag on the belt, like this.
Okay, my bag is on the belt.
Good. Now walk through the scanner.
That was a little scary.
It's okay. Everyone goes through it.
Did I do it right?
Perfect. No problem at all.
I feel like a real traveler now.
You are a real traveler, Anna. Our flight is in 1 hour.
What do we do now?
We wait at the departure lounge,
What is a departure lounge?
the big waiting area near the gate.
Oh, there are shops and cafes here. Tom, what does departure mean?
Departure means leaving, going away.
So departure lounge means?
The area where you wait before leaving.
And arrival is the opposite?
Exactly. Arrival means coming in.
Tom, look at that big screen.
That's the flight information board.
What does it show?
Flight numbers, times, and gate numbers.
I see our flight, TH204.
Good. It says on time. We're fine.
Tom, I can't find my boarding pass.
Check your jacket pocket carefully.
Not there. Oh no.
Try your backpack, front pocket.
Oh, here it is. I found it.
Always keep it in one safe place.
Excuse me, is this Gate 7?
Anna is asking someone for help.
Yes, the stranger said Gate 8.
Oh, we need to move quickly.
Gate 8 is just around the corner.
Good job asking, Anna. Very brave. Anna, are you hungry?
A little. Is there time?
Yes, the shop is right here.
I want a bottle of water and chips.
Good idea. Flights can be long.
How long is our flight?
Our flight is about 2 hours long.
2 hours. That's not too bad.
How long does it take by bus?
Much longer. Maybe 6 hours.
So flying saves a lot of time.
I love flying, Tom.
Anna, they're calling our flight now.
Already, I can't wait.
Please have your boarding pass ready.
Here it is. I kept it safe this time.
Perfect. Let's go.
I can't wait to be on the plane. Tom, I have the window seat.
How does it feel?
Amazing. I can see everything outside.
What can you see?
The runway, the other planes, the sky.
That's the best part of flying. Anna, we've landed. Welcome.
That was so smooth.
Now we go to the arrivals hall,
What is the arrivals hall?
where people come out to meet family.
Oh, that's so exciting. Tom, are we meeting someone here?
Yes, my sister is arriving today.
Really? I didn't know that.
It's a surprise for you, too.
I can't wait to meet her.
She arrives in 10 minutes. There she is, over there.
She looks just like you, Tom.
Lisa, over here.
She's running toward us.
She's so happy to see us.
This is the best part of airports. Tom, today was so special.
Did you learn many new words?
Check-in, boarding pass, gate, departure, arrival.
You remembered everything perfectly.
Airports aren't scary anymore.
No, they're where journeys begin.